Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back by my channel. Welcome back, and today what I have for you is the last little bit of my fall decorating. My son is coming back home today from Fort Worth for the weekend, so I can't wait, and so I want to get all my fall decorations done, and the last thing I have to do is to finish my coffee bar. So that is what we are doing today. And you know what? Stay to the end because I have a question for you. I need your help with something, okay? But for now, let's go ahead and get into decorating. All right, so I'm going to take a few minutes and remove all the things that were still on this tiered tray from summer, and I'm going to clean it up and get it ready to redecorate it for fall. You guys, this is my favorite fall scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It's called Acorn Spice. So if you have not tried it, you definitely need to get a bottle of it and try it because it smells so good. All right, guys, it's time to start putting together the decorations on this tiered tray. I kind of had an idea of the way I wanted things to look or where I wanted things to be, but until you get it up there and start putting things together, you just really don't know how it's going to look. So it's just trial and error, and you just work with it until you get it the way you want it to look. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I love doing these little decorate with me and little DIYs and home hacks, but I wanted to just mention that this tier tray is actually one that I made myself, and I actually used items from the Dollar Tree. I picked out a pizza pan and then a little pie plate and then a plate and glued them with candlesticks. Once I glued the candlesticks to the plates, I painted it with white chalk paint, and then I just took some black paint with a little sponge brush and just painted around the edges of each, plate and pie plate. And so, yeah, I think this tier tray cost me maybe, $5, and it was super easy to make. much where I want it on the tier tray. So now I'm just gonna start taking some fall leaves, some loose leaves, and just placing them in empty spots in between the items on the tier tray, and it just makes it look fuller and it makes it look better. Now it's time for the coffee pot side of the coffee bar. One thing I love to do is just use what I already have, like for instance that plant in the window, and I just replace it with a different little pail for the seasons, and it's just something easy and it's less to have to store. Pretty good idea of what I wanted to use for this side of the coffee bar, so I'd pretty much put everything else away. It was just a matter of placing things like I wanted them, you know, in the area. So guys, thanks for sticking around with me while I decorated my coffee bar. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some ideas of things that you can do, you know, to decorate little corners of your kitchen, little corners of your house, your bathroom, whatever. If you are new to the channel, thanks so much for you know, giving me part of your day, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. If you do subscribe, don't forget to click the bell button, because it does let you know every time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to click the like button, because that lets YouTube know that I have people coming to watch my videos. So anyway, so thank you for staying to the end, because I do have a very important question. I'm having issues with the sound on my phone when I record. I'm having to record literally 30 seconds of talking before any sound can come on. And if you've watched any of my previous videos, then you'll know what I'm talking about. So I have an iPhone 11, and since the most recent update, it has been doing this. I've never had this issue before. So if you're an iPhone expert, then please let me know what I'm doing wrong. I've never had an iPhone before this one that I have. And so yeah, I pretty much am at a loss as to what to do. But anyway, comment below if you do know of a fix that I can try. And also let me know in the comments below what you enjoyed about the coffee bar decorating that I did today. What's something that you think that that looked cute? I don't know. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.